my children, today we together to set up the house which is on the tree. Look, this is our toy house. There is a guiding book. First, I will set up a tree on the green grass. The tree has many dry big branches. Following, I will fix good floor on the tree.
Okay.
There are the good ones. The door is green. I will fix the window into this place. I fix the roof into the house. On the roof, there is a rising branch, which it is interesting, isn't it? Added to the leaves are surrounding.
Wow!
I will fix the slide, which is blue. Added to one small ladder. In the house, I put a table, one more chair. I will put the girl in here. Next, there is a small cot. The dog is here, which is very obedient. The boy, which I put in there to watch around the binocular.